Hey guys, how's it going? How to make your Facebook more private. So you can go ahead and click the three bars at the top right, or click the menu at the bottom right if you're using the app, right? And then click view your profile. Okay, if you want to make your Facebook more private, you can go ahead and select a specific post and privatize it, right? Click the three dots next to your post and then click change audience, and you can click see more right here and make it more private, right? If you have a specific post or something. But if you want to privatize your account, just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right, and then click view your profile. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit edit or click the three dots next to the edit profile, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and select the lock profile option. Yeah, lock profile. And then if you lock your profile, only friends will see your past and future photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo, and people will still be able to see public posts you're tagged in, search for you, and send you friend request, right? Just go out and lock the profile, and basically you're gonna be able to privatize and make it more convenient for you. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.